Okay, so we're sitting down at the Extra Bonus Wilds, the Eagle machine. We're at the Windcreek over here in Wetumpka. So here we go. Come on, Eagles, get up in there. Yeah, there's a couple. 2 eagles flew in there. Where's the other one gonna land at? Match me up and give me something good across there. I ain't mad at it. So the machine's been a little bit on the hot side. So we hit 12 spins a while ago for $552. We've had a 200 re-spin trigger. I like that too. Re-spin triggered again. So keep on triggering it. We won 249 over on the Fire Bulls, and we've had a couple $100 hits, but $552 on the 12 spins here at the Extra Bonus Wilds machine. By far our biggest hit for today. So we need some more of them gold eggs coming up and give us some free spins again. That's what we need. Mercy. But at least the machine's hitting. It's paying a little something as we play. You know, a couple dollars here, 40 cents there. You hear me say it all the time. There's nothing worse than sitting down at a machine and, come on. Nothing worse than sitting down at a machine and you just don't win nothing. Not 30 cents, 40 cents, nothing. You know, everything says zero like that one right there. We need them egg baskets across. Come on now. Come on, free spins. Come on, free spins. Come on, get up in there. I guess begging ain't gonna work. Mercy. Come on now. Been hitting pretty good now. Let's not cool down. But there's some eagles coming up in there. That's right. That's right. Get on up in there. I like watching that money tick up. $5.75. Come on, Eagles. One thing about it, the eagle up top there, I'll show y'all. So you can see the eagle flying up top there. So he'll jump down out of the top of there just at random. And next thing you know, you got, you know, whoa, I hit that one too fast. Well, we've heard a few jackpots go off in the distance. I don't know what it was. People winning. So. Me personally, I like the Windcreek casinos. You got Windcreek, Montgomery, Wetumpka. There's 3 or 4 of them around over here in Alabama. Come on now. The machine getting a little cold, I might have to walk away from it. We did hit for 552 on this machine, but you know, 552 could be a prelude to 5,552. You never know. But I can tell you right now, it's not doing a whole lot. But I believe we're gonna get it again. I believe them free spins are coming. I got faith in it. Jump in there. You know, but have all the faith you want to. That don't mean it's going to happen. Come on now. She's been trying to give us a few free spins. So this is a $6 max bet machine. We're betting a $3 bet. About the only time I do any kind of max betting is like we did earlier when we went into the high limits area. You know, you go in there to, you know, you're going in there to try to hit big. I mean, you're trying to win everywhere you go, but I personally like to play between about the $1.50 range up to about the $3, $4 range. Just depends on the machine, really, when I sit down at it, how I feel. Oh yeah. Take it on up after. Sometimes I hit the button so it don't tick. Most of the time I try to let it tick. Let it play out. I know. Sometimes I feel like if I hit the button to stop it from ticking, I'm rushing it. Messing my luck up on the machine. You know. Come on, come on, come on. You know, other times I feel like I should, look at them puppies getting up in there. There you go. That was a good little hit, I think. 20. Come on. Going for 30. Yeah. 40. 50. Come on. 60. Machine ain't cooled off yet. Still paying out. 80. Oh yeah. 90. We might have ourselves over $100 win on this one right here with them puppy dogs. We got 100. 102.50 on the puppy dogs. I ain't mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. I mean, I'd really like it if they back it up with some free spins right off the bat. We sat down earlier, I think it was the second, maybe third spin, something like that, and 4 gold egg baskets popped up. Gave us 12 free spins, and then we won 552 off of that. So, I am not mad at all. We are starting to kill the battery on my phone for the videos and stuff. We're going to be taking a break here shortly. Get up in there, little otters. Oh yeah. She's been doing pretty good. I hate to walk away from it right now.
She ain't gonna have much of a choice when that phone dies.
We're running out of battery power. Be all right. What's meant to be will be. It is what it is. Oh, here come them Eagles. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on, get up in there. Come on, give me some in the front. Come on, give me one over here. Now match me up across there. we got some beavers all the way across right there. I'm gonna rush this because my battery's going dead. 23.25 on that wind right there. So we're gonna sign off right there, ladies and gentlemen.